Hello, YouTube. Oh, even though I don't recommend this, have it serviced properly if it needs attention. Anything after 82 has this push bar on it with this cable that goes to the stop switch. Let's say yours isn't working, like this old parts one I have is missing all the parts. So instead of buying all the parts, you can remove where the spring would go. Right here. You see it, just take it off. Put a rubber band around this guy. Push it this way, the opposite way. So to turn it off, that's off, and then leave it on. Pull the spring out and put a rubber band on it.